Okay, hello everybody. My name is Thomas Wong with Real Life Trading, and today I'm just going to go over a simple tutorial on how to add any shared item into ThinkorSwim. This can be particularly useful when getting scripts or scans from anyone else, and in particular, we're going to use the trend following Momo indicator. So the first step is to make sure that you have a copy or a link of the shared item that you want to bring in and import. In the Tools tab here, it will only show items that you have shared, not items that you have brought in. So since I shared this item, I can copy it there. And what you're going to do is you're going to come up to this upper right-hand corner and click on that Setup Options button, and you're going to go to Open Shared Item. This dialog box will pop up, and you're going to hit Control and V to paste it in there, and you're going to hit Preview, and it'll show what you're importing, and then you're going to click on Import. I already have it, so I'm not going to click on Import. But after that, then on any chart, you can click on the Edit Studies tool, and then you can come in here and type in the name, and then you can add it here just by clicking on it and adding selected or double clicking it. If it is not renamed for some reason, then you can click on this drop down and scroll down to user defined. And if you have not created any of your own scripts, it should be the only thing in here. You can also right click and rename it as well. But you can just double click it so that it's over here, and then click OK, and there you go. You'll have the indicator on your chart. And that's all. Thanks everyone. Have a good day.